Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have been to Hobby Lobby. Let's see what all I got. These were $1.49, which, do the math, this is 1/4 of a yard cut into what they call fat quarters. It's not 9 inches across. These are 18 by usually 22, it should say on here. But we found these, and if you do the math, that's $6 a yard. This, I love animal print. I love farm animals. And these went up to, wasn't it $1.79 each? So Darren went through, I was looking at some and I put them back. And Darren went through and pulled out all the $1.49s, and I'm glad he did. Aren't these cute? Look at the pigs. I don't have pigs. I don't want pigs. But I do like that. I have chickens, I have horses, I have cats galore. We have a lot of farm animals, and I was happy to find that. All of their Easter was 40% off. Was it 40 or 50?
I think it's 40.
So I love these little chocolate bunny eggs. You can break these open. They're like Easter eggs. They're so cute for the dolls. These are really fun. I've been playing with these, sitting, coloring them while I watch TV. They come with 4 markers. I was trying gel pens on here. You should have seen my hands. And it takes about 3 days for the gel pens to dry. But the markers work very well. I bought other markers so that I had more colors, but you don't have to. What did we pay? These were $3.99 a dozen. And they're marked so that you just, color them in. They had 2 different kinds. I have the other one too.
They also had plain ones.
And and plain. And these were 40% off. So, cheap enough.
$2.40 for a dozen?
Yeah, that's cheaper than as cheap as real eggs. And I got some trim and some lace. Let's look at this fabric. It was 30% off. First, it used to be 50% off, and then it was 40% off, and now it's 30% off. I need some thinner, not as wide, eyelet lace. Can't find it. This is the smallest they have. And I got to tell you, I don't like this. So now I'm going to have to fold that over to use it, but okay, at least I got some. Got this for upcoming 4th of July, because I'll tell you a secret about Hobby Lobby now, especially now that Joann's is closed. Their holiday prints sell out when they hit the shelf. I got 2 ginghams. I've had this before. It's great for American Girl Samantha. And I have that miniature Samantha that I'm going to be making an outfit, so I got that. I wanted this for Sasha, and if you're looking at that, you probably know why. And I grabbed this because they have it, and I like it. It was a great day. Of course, when you get to the register, it all sounds so cheap. But by the time you add all this up, and then you throw this in, and you throw this in, and oh, let's go ahead and get this, and oh, you know what? That's a really good deal. It gets expensive at the register, but I love my stash. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. What good deals have you gotten lately? Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.